And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Samara Kokinos.
At 6:43, we're tracking isolated to scattered showers on the First Warn 5 Doppler network. So let me show you exactly where all this activity is taking place. You can see mainly over Hidalgo County, but also San Ysidro has been getting some rain this morning. And as we focus into Hidalgo County area, even Citrus City had some showers that were making their way north, kind of just getting a little bit of light rain there right now. And just west of Grand Hano this morning, an isolated cell there. But with any passing shower, some heavy rain is possible, and the same thing goes in Willacy County, moving just going through San Perlita this morning on 186. The roads are definitely going to be a bit slick there, and the same goes for Cameron County. Check this out. This is what's happening right now over the Rancho Viejo area, and you can see that this cell is moving fairly quickly to the north, so just keep your eyes peeled out for some pockets of heavy rain if you're traveling within that area over the next 5 or 10 minutes. It'll clear out pretty quickly as it moves in fairly quickly. It's going to be very brief. So what we are calling for again this afternoon are some more showers and thunderstorms to develop. So don't forget your umbrella as you step outside. You definitely will need it. Temperatures will rise from the upper 70s this morning to the upper 80s by this afternoon. And the upper 80s and low 90s are going to feel like the triple digits out there because of all that high humidity we have in place. We'll keep rain chances at 30% for today and tomorrow, but the difference between today and tomorrow is the potential for severe weather. Let's look at the future track model and walk you hour by hour. Starting at 6 this morning through about 9 o'clock, we could see cloudy skies, but there could be some areas where you see some breaks in those clouds to allow for a little bit of sunshine. Now, just after 11 going into the noon hour, that's where we see more showers start to pop up, and even a few thunderstorms are possible through 3 and 4 o'clock. But then after that, around 5 or 6, 7, 8, it all kind of starts to wind down. So we're not calling for a lot of heavy rain potential until the overnight hours. 3, 4 o'clock in the morning, it'll start in Starr County over in the west, and it's going to progress toward the east. And as you take a look at all that rain, there could be some pockets of heavy rain, maybe even some gusty winds for your early morning commute tomorrow. And keep in mind, through 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, your visibility could be lower because of that heavy rain potential, and it will start to exit the lower valley and the coast just after 7, maybe closer to 9 o'clock. This particular model keeps pushing it back a little bit. So does look like a soggy start to tomorrow with that heavy rain and gusty wind potential in the area. That is something that we'll continue to monitor. Now, basically what's going on is we have this stalled out boundary to our north. So this front really isn't doing much but giving us that triggering device that we need for some showers and thunderstorms. Add that in with that daytime heating element, and that's how we'll get the thunderstorm popping up this afternoon. Now, going into tomorrow, this all changes. We are in the slight risk tomorrow for isolated showers or thunderstorms to turn severe. And with that being said, that's tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow night. As that front gets closer to the valley, we could see some heavy rain, gusty winds, and maybe even hail could move through portions of the valley with any of these passing storms. So it's something that we really need to continue to monitor. The cold front will roll through early Wednesday morning. Behind that, a slight cool down, a little less humid, but trust me, the hot and humid weather returns very quickly as we head into the holiday weekend. At the coast today, there are no advisories, but keep in mind there will be spotty storms in the forecast. A moderate chop on the bay with near shore waters 2 to 4 feet. High temperatures near 93 degrees with a southeast wind at 6 to 12 miles per hour. Very humid. 30% chance for scattered showers and thunderstorms. Overnight, the thunderstorm potential continues, especially into early tomorrow morning. We'll have a low of 77. We're back to the mid-90s tomorrow and then the upper 80s. So we get a break from the 90s midweek. As we head into the weekend, we're back to 96 and 97. Hot and breezy, humid. And for the holiday weekend, your overnight lows mainly in the mid to upper 70s, except for Tuesday and Wednesday night, we're in the upper 60s. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast. Channel